Welcome to PetesGuide. This is Metric Monday. In a previous video, I discussed how choosing the right Phillips bit, and probably all screwdriver bits, uses a simple rule of trying all the sizes that will fit and using the largest size that will fit. There's probably a more elegant, simple, more accurate way to describe that, and I'll figure out what that is eventually. If it hasn't been written down in a standard already, I'll figure it out. If you know it's been written down in a standard, tell me what standard that is, and I'll buy that. So the last time, the largest Phillips bit I had was a number 2. And this is my M6 Toolkit that I'm developing. So the largest Phillips bit that comes with the Vera 2024 Advent Calendar is a number 2 Phillips. And as you can see here, it fits with a little bit of wobble, and it looks like it fits, and it seems to work reliably. But based on my past experience, I believe that's not the right bit. So I bought a number 3 Vera Phillips bit. And as you can see, it fits, it doesn't wobble, and it fits perfectly. So I was right. The number 2 can go back in the less than ideal bin, and the number 3 bit can go in the mini tool check. And then I can reassemble. I still need to find a better place for the slotted bit, or just ditch it. But that's the main thing I wanted to get across this week on the metric system, is for an M6 Phillips head, the correct screwdriver bit is a Phillips number 3. And I'd go further, but I'm still waiting for the rest of my bits for this kit to arrive. So that's all I have for this week on the metric system. This is PetesGuide, closing down.